I would usually try to get the blood here, but I think I just want to go straight for the kills, bro. There's only... Oop, that's the wrong button. Oh, now they don't open the doors? My Leatherface getting mad. Oh, I guess I could have been getting blood here. Oh well. This Bubba doesn't know how to rev his chainsaw. Rip. Oh yeah. I knew they couldn't resist. Let's get Danny is going to the fuse exit in the tunnels. They're going over the barrier. Boom! Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Leyland's going into the tunnels. He's on me. Let's run into the door under the house. Alright, I killed the Leyland. Squeal like a pig, boy. Squeal like a pig. Yeah. Get ridden. Dude, that execution is so BM, dude. Okay, it looks like they already got out on that door over there. So they took the ladder exit. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs now. They got the ladder exit open. Oh, Hitchhiker's killing some people. Oh, did you get one? Oh, one went down the well. You poor little thing. I don't really think these guys know what they're doing. Which is kind of weird because the Sunny was like teabagging, but I don't even think he knows what he's doing. It's like, what you teabagging for, bro? What you teabagging for? I did shut that door over here, so... I think this is the only door that they have open. I think they're still in the basement. They were just trying to come with this ladder. Connie's hiding in the basement. Oh, damn. I was trying to make sure she wouldn't do that, but she's running to the opposite tunnels of the fuse exit. Of course, there's a fucking pallet there. You little bitch. She bled out. Yeah. Yeah, we just need to feed Grandpa now. Looks like Sunny has some points though. He must be upstairs. Oh no, he got this door open. He got the gen side door open down here. So I'm gonna check the fences. He picked up a fuse also, by the way. Where's the fuse box at? Okay, it's in the middle. He's probably gonna try to do fuse. Oh, is that got a trap on it? Alright, I'm gonna collect some blood, I think. Hitchhiker's watching that side. He's getting more points. Alright, we got the alarms now. Why is this guy like following me? Hello? Where's this hitchhiker at? Oh shoot, oh shoot. Boom, baby. Let me get some poison for you, boy. Anna's on the left gen gate. Fuck, I missed. She's going back in the back of the house. Where is Leatherface? Okay, he's in there. She's in the room in the front. She's going through the front door, or by the front door, middle of the house. I think she's going back basement. Yeah, she's going back basement. Or never mind, that's Sunny. Got him again. Oh, don't tell me he... Okay, I thought he didn't break this down for a second. Damn, why is this guy so fast? Holy shit. You poor little thing. Alright, I killed the Sunny. Yeah. Don't mess with Sissy, bro. I will chase you to the ends of the earth. booty shorts. What the hell? I didn't even know Sunny had a skin like that. Kill them all. Yeah. Unleash the beast. Ooh, I hit her twice. Poor little thing. One day this door will open. Copium. Ooh, jebaited. Ooh, you're hurting now. Aren't ya? Aren't you, Connie? Come here, Connie. Come here, you little bitch. No helping, you pussy. Really, bro? That was some hacks right there, bro. That was some hacks right there, bro. There's no way Connie left, right? Maybe she healed already? I feel like there's no way. One's coming up the ladder exit in the middle, the big one. By the overgrowth. I feel like my teammates are not doing anything. I have this feeling. Oh, Connie's in your trap on the overgrowth. Get her, get her, get her. Nice. That door was actually locked. That door was locked. Oh my god, that's actually fucking awesome, dude. Yep, getting stuck again. I thought that this only happened to Hitchhiker. Guess it happens to Sissy too. Nice. Nice game, by the way. Good game, by the way. Good game. Oh. Hitchhiker's fighting on the other side. Oh, she's going. He's up top. He's going down the well. Of course he is, a little bitch. Like a little bitch. Damn it. I'm trying to feed Grandpa. Anna's on the right battery gate. She's on me. She's going up into the mill. Fuck her. Anna's still on me. What the fuck are my teammates doing? Alright, whatever. One's on generator. Okay, it's going well. My teammates are pretty good. Alright, we got Grandpa 5. I only see one of them. Oh, one's in the trap up top. Oh, she's coming back down. Alright, I'm gonna go down and help Hitchhiker. Leyland and Anna are over here. On me. Anna's going up the ladder over here. And Leyland went back to the basement. I mean, we could just let them bleed out. We don't have to do shit. We can just sit here. He's trapped again. Really would help. He's going back to the basement, I think. Yeah, he's going back basement. Come here, Leyland. He's just hiding in his room down here. Yeah, his door slammed him. Shit, I was trying to lock it on him. Come here, piggy. Squeal like a pig, boy. Squeal like a pig. Come here, little piggy. Oh, he went back. Oh. He's trying to hide from me. My teammates were really good, by the way. Ha 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 ha. getting really hot in here. The heater just turned on. By the way, I should know... I need to figure out where these blood buckets are on this map. Alright, whatever. Just gonna go to the basement, I guess. So I have a hitchhiker in a hands? Or Johnny in a hands? Oh, a cook in a hands. You left a trail. You poor little thing. Oh shit. Oh shit. She's jebaiting me. Don't jebait me, bro. Don't jebait me. Where's the blood? Where's the blood? I gotta follow it, bro. This will help them see more clearly. Dude, she's gonna die from going through that poison, right? Surely. Alright, I got the Julie. Did this Julie have fun? I think she had fun. I'm a hyper-aggressive sissy main. Alright, we did it. We did it, boys. We did it. Now how the fuck we get out of here? How the fuck we get out of here? Nope. That's not the right one. Oh, this is the right one. Just rage quit forehead. Marathon Simulator. Nice, good job. Lol. Wait, there's someone over here. What the? Leyland's coming back to you. Run, brother, run. He's behind you, Cook. This boy fast. Oh, you going upstairs? Oh, I got him by the freaking Achilles tendon, bro. Sheesh. That's kind of lit. Right on the stairs. Right on the stairs, dude. Demon 12, 12, 14. So we got one more. Dude, we're actually doing pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. I mean, we did kind of rush bottom, so we killed that Julie like instantly. Oh, he's in the basement. Is someone chasing him? Oh shit, Cook's chasing him. The Cook is chasing him in the basement, bro. He wants that kill, bro. He wants that kill. It's actually hilarious, dude. Oops. Good job. GG. freaking winning this game. Let's go. 4K, let's go, let's go. GGEs. GGEs. Oh, there's no blood bucket right here. It's probably one in the corner over there, but... Something to see. Maybe. Usually I would go get blood, but I just kind of want to kill people. Seems like this Leatherface is doing pretty good too, so go down there and maybe try to help him, unless if Hitchhiker's already down there. Where's Hitchhiker at? Oh, he's over there. Yeah, I think this Hitchhiker might be new. Or he just wasn't ready for the game to start that quick, I don't know. His Leatherface looks like he might be doing some work though. Good job, good job. Okay, dude. Leyland's on me. He's going to the red room. Dude, this stun shit is just ridiculous. Like, bro, he just like grappled with me for like I don't even know how long. And then I get stunned for 4 seconds. Like, that shit is broken, bro. You've been chosen. You've been chosen. Fuck. I really wish my teammates had fucking mics. Why would you leave this show? They did get this. I was like, this is the only door that I haven't seen yet. I wonder if they have it open. They do have it open. No. So sometimes the thing that's bad about being super aggressive is if they go out one exit like this, they can all get out pretty quick, technically. He did put a trap there, though. Oh, there's one over there. Alright, so he's trapped these doors, at least. Alright, well, they might... I don't know where that well drops to. It's actually a good question. I think it's going to drop on the other side, right? This Leyland is going ham. Oh, I got this door open too. Maybe I shouldn't go basement. That was probably a mistake. Oh, he's grappling with her. Why is he leaving when they're fighting? Well, I guess I gotta come in here and help. Alright, I got the Connie. I literally come in here and get a kill. Squeak like a pig, bro. Squeak like a pig. No, don't leave before you get gutted, bro. Come on. Hello? Hello? Wait, why is my character... Dude. Come on. Go on. Get out there. No? Okay. What the fuck, bro? teammates are a little special. A little special, kind of special. Oh, man. These Bubbas, like, not revving their chainsaw. So these guys have had, like, all the opportunity in the world to, like, get Valve and whatchamacallit, but they haven't done it yet. Valve and Fuse. I'm assuming they're gonna keep going, Warehouse. Oh, he's behind me. I wish he would use his mic. He's going up top. Yeah, get poisoned. I wasn't even gonna try to swing on him. He's going down the ladder. Hitchhiker. It's running through the middle. Okay, that's one of them. We need to get more blood. Is this open though? Fuck. Dude, why are they taking the blood, bro? We need these alarms. My Hitchhiker's chasing someone in the basement. I was chasing Leyland. Check over here, get some blood, and then we'll circle back. So I don't know. Should be able to get this real quick. There's actually one more in here that's really good for me. Now the question is what's his name gonna stab Grandpa or not? Leyland. Alright, well that's not open. Oh, she is over here. I was wondering about that. Maria, Maria. Something about a West Side Story. Worth. Boom! Damn, that damage though. I can't believe she's not in cap. She should be in cap, right? Like what? Maybe she died. Alright, we got level 5. Okay, she's getting a bone scrap. Alright, I guess we're just hiding in the basement now, Keck. Oh, this is Anna. I said Maria. Ah, shit, that was close. Mariana, Anna. Something about us in the storm. Come here, Anna. One day I'll be able to move out. We're really gonna just keep doing this, bro. What is this leather face, bro? Come on, leather face, let's go, bro. Gotta rev that chainsaw, boy. You guys not watching Grandpa Hitchhiker? Come on, bro. These fucking guys not having mics, bro. Hitchhiker does have a mic. Oh my god. This is cancer. This is cancer. Hitchhiker's running around getting blood. Oh. They're coming up the central exit. Grandpa again. Oh shit, she's right here. I got both of them on me. Dude, how many times does she get to do this? This is fucking ridiculous. Dude, how do both of those miss? Like one, okay, I could see that. But both? Like, come on, dude. So are you guys gonna get out, or are you just gonna keep dicking around? They're all over here in the red room. On me again. There we go. Oh, now she's gonna fight you like a dumbass? Okay. How is she not dead? Dude, how much fucking health does this bitch have? Hello? Alright, I got the Anna. Dude, how many hits? Holy crap. Dude, holy crap. Alright, now let's go kill this guy. Nice, good job. There we go. Is that so fucking hard? Let's watch Grandpa. Just be within range of Grandpa and GGEs, dude. And then just leave this completely open and locked. That's a good idea, too. Fucking guys. Holy shit.